Okay, so for the first outfit, I wanted to keep things very simple, casual, and get very chic. So that's why I came up with this outfit. Actually, this is inspired by Sejal Kumar, but I switched some things up according to my liking. Therefore, I'm wearing black stockings for keeping myself warm in this winters. Added the white shirt which has polka dots all over it and has this beautiful ruffle sleeve. Also, I went ahead with the black skater skirt because it goes with each and every piece from my wardrobe, and it's a wardrobe essential, I feel. And for the highlight of this whole look, I added up a bright red beret cap because it just amps up the whole look. And for bottoms of my outfit, I went ahead with the shoes to complete the whole look. Okay, so it's winters and you guys need to have at least one high neck or polo neck t-shirt or top in your wardrobe. It's a wardrobe essential, I feel, because you can style it up in winters in so many different ways. Like here, I've paired it up with a nice fitted pair of trousers and added a black bum bag. Also coordinated it with black belt, and a bright shade like this bright blue color complements your whole look together. I've accessorized in this look a lot just to make sure this look doesn't look very shabby. So I went ahead with some normal hoops, completed it with black boots, and yeah, that's about it. Definitely this outfit is going to keep you warm in this winters. The trend of fur has been there since last year, and I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. So the best way to wear it is with a nice fitted skirt which is basic in color. So like here I'm wearing this bright pink colored sweater which has the fur detailing all over it, and I've paired it up with this brown or tan button down skirt which complements the whole look together. I've paired up the stockings to keep myself warm and added a bit of jewelry, and that's about it. Okay, so I know this outfit makes me look like a school going kid, guys, but trust me, plaids are in trend a lot. You can wear it in so many different ways, so many different styles, but I chose for a skirt, and I've also paired it up with this green ribbed t-shirt, added this fish looking earrings, added a bright lipstick and a beanie on my head to complete this whole look. And I feel you can wear plaids in any sorts of way, like in pants or a coordinate sets, but I feel skirts look much more chic and wearable. So that's about it, and that is how the whole outfit looks like, guys. So that was it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this and took some inspiration from these outfits. I've loved all of them. So let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section down below, and if you liked what you saw in this video, then please join the YouTube family by subscribing and pressing the